So how do you post on Plebbit? It's really simple. When you first run the client, you're automatically assigned an account, no sign-up required. From there, you just use it like any other forum. You can reply to an existing thread or create a new thread. Before it's published, you'll need to complete a customizable anti-spam challenge. By default, this is a captcha. Once you solve it, your post is published. Now you're probably wondering, what's the actual link to use Plebbit? But before we get there, there are two important things you need to understand. Firstly, Plebbit is the protocol and not the client application. This means that anyone can use the protocol of Plebbit to build their own client. Right now, the Plebbit devs have built a few different clients already. There's Seedit, a client styled like old Reddit. You can use it today at seedit.app. There's plebchan, a 4chan-inspired client with an image board style UX. And plebones, a barebones client for autists with UX sensitivities. The final point you need to understand is there are two ways to access each Plebbit client. For example, you can access Seedit through your browser. This is convenient, but slower because it leeches off full nodes. You can also use Seedit through the downloadable app. This is less convenient, but faster, as it operates as a full node. No middlemen, no bottlenecks. Everything works peer-to-peer. As a side note, the devs are also working on an additional design which uses Kubo to build a lightweight peer-to-peer node that operates within the browser. This is groundbreaking technology that has never been done before to my knowledge. In summary, Plebbit is an open source protocol enabling ownership of public communities. Anti-spam challenges are customizable. There are infinite possible client front ends. For each front end, there is a web instance and a downloadable instance. Each client has an Android and desktop instance. Plebbit is groundbreaking technology. In the next video, I'll teach you how to create your own subplebbit or board. Thanks for watching.